Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a cook and clean with me. So I'll be showing you guys an easy dinner recipe that is so yummy and very easy to make. So I hope you'll enjoy today's video. So let's get started.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow.
So to marinate the chicken, I'm using my favorite spices, which are turmeric, garlic powder, garam masala, ginger powder, paprika, and salt. And please note that I am not measuring any of this. I'm just eyeballing. So I will mix the spices with the chicken and cover for about 2 hours. I want to say a huge thank you to you, my returning subscribers, for coming back to watch my videos. My new subscribers, welcome to the family, and my name is Marion. we are having a blackout today, and I'm feeling so bored and demotivated, but we have to eat, right? So I have to continue. The idea was to roast this chicken in the oven, but Kenya Power had other plans. We don't have electricity, as you can see, and I don't know what's happening. We've been experiencing power outage every day from 6 p.m. up to midday the following day. So I have to think of plan B, and my plan B here is the pan. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and also you can help me promote this video by giving it a thumbs up and leaving me a comment. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it a lot. In this channel, I do home management videos. I'm a mom of two, almost 9-year-old girl and a 6-year-old boy. I do cleaning and laundry motivation, grocery hauls, and any other content related to homemaking or just mommy duties. So this is our dinner. This is what we are going to have. We have the roast chicken and rice, some roast potatoes, and some soup on the side. So let us enjoy our meal. In fact, this is going to be a candlelit dinner. Since we didn't have electricity last night, I didn't get to do any housework after dinner. We ate, then we went to bed, and in the morning, we just woke up, we prepared ourselves for school and work. So this is the situation in the kitchen right now. And I will start by putting away stuff that don't belong on the countertops. And I will start doing the dishes, wipe the cooker and the countertops. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it a lot. In this channel, I do home management videos. I'm a mom of two, almost 9-year-old girl and a 6-year-old boy. I do cleaning and laundry motivation, grocery hauls, and any other content related to homemaking or just mommy duties.